And announce them one more time.
The HTC Aris and the Motorola Android.
Well, Android. And the keyboard.
Tactile keyboard on the Motorola Droid versus the full keyboard on a Aris. And I'll pull that up so you can see that as well.
Great.
And it should turn as soon as I go to create a new one. Hold on one sec.
Is there any particular kind of customer or demographic that has been interested in one or the other?
I've gotten 8-year-old kids, I've gotten 90-year-old men.
Oh, really?
I've gotten everything in between.
Cool.
It's really, the HTC is, again, slimmer. It's also a lot lighter. But it's really going to come down to whether or not you're comfortable with a full keyboard or you're comfortable with it on screen. A lot of iPhone users are going towards the HTC just because they're already comfortable with the all on-screen keyboard.
Right.
Versus a standard BlackBerry user saying they want to try out the Android, they tend to move over to the...
What are the top three, besides branding, what are the top three differentiators between the Droid and the iPhone as you see it?
The biggest things that we've had is the memory, the expandability of the memory. You can put a larger card in either one of the phones depending on whichever one you want if you needed more memory. You have the open application platform, meaning customers can create their own apps depending on what they want to do. The syncability, this is going to work with obviously Mac, PC, everything else, similar to the iPhone, but it tends to work a little easier. Again, the size of the device. And Verizon, you have our service. The Verizon service does play a large factor into it because you have our 3G network, whereas with the Motorola, or the iPhone, it's not quite Verizon. So that is a big asset to it.
Great.
But overall, both phones have been doing phenomenal. They target similar clientele bases. It's really going to come down to personal preference between the two. There's nothing that these can't do that the iPhone can do, and vice versa.
Great.
I mean, they really are just an extremely solid device.
Okay, and one more shot of them.
Okay, let me get this one open for you.
The Verizon Wireless Store in Norwalk, Connecticut.
It's back on a home screen.
Cool. Very cool. Thanks.